Hello, here's an update to the shock mount video. I've spent some time researching this and determined that the main problem is not actually the shock mount, although the shock mount does have its set of problems. Mainly, right here, these two rings that support the rubber bands. There's screws right here and right there, which require a special Allen wrench to tighten. And on a movie shoot, no matter how careful you are, these are constantly getting loose and rattling, and you have to constantly keep tightening these screws 4 or 5 times during a standard movie shoot. So RODE, you need to address that problem. I did find that the main problem of the rattling sound is actually the microphone itself. This is the RODE NTG-2. And the problem is right here, right along this seam. There are 3 screws holding this housing together here. And although the screws are screwed down as tight as they can be, there's a wobble to it. And that's the clunking sound that we're hearing, is that wobble. And again, no amount of tightening of the 3 screws has any effect on it. RODE, if you have an answer for that, that would be great. My answer is to wrap it in black tape, which stops it from rattling. But I should not have to do that. The other thing I've noticed with this microphone on the set, if you have this mounted in a perfect shock mount on a boom pole and you happen to tap the mic accidentally, this area here will make a horrible ringing noise. And the only way to get around that is to fill the inner cavity, which holds a battery, with a battery or some type of absorptive material. Well, that's it for now.